please. Soja boys, forward back. Okay, so before mo magkuan, short interview. Okay, ma'am, what's your name?
Len po.
Len? How old are you?
23, turning 24.
Paano mag-turn ang 24? Charot, charot. Okay, so, are you excited to meet your partner tonight?
Let's see.
Ay, let's see. Okay, so, let's see na po. Charot lang. Ang challenge is, we will play a music o kung kinsa ang pinakahataw maoy daog. Okay? Kung kinsa ang pinakahataw, pahawaon na to ang pinakahataw. Basta mo hataw lang mo, makahawa na mo. Are you ready? Forward pa mo, forward. Forward. Ay, di daw sila kakitaas. Okay, and we are ready. Boys, are you ready? She said, are you ready? In 3, hataw ha? 3, 2, 1, go! Come on! Hataw, lower! 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 Oy, bawal lang hataw! Ay! Ang pinakahataw out! Ang pinakahataw out! Ang pinakahataw out! Okay, stop! Round 1, nagatay na out isa. Ayaw pag-cheat. Sir, murang sakit na mong tuhod. Round 1 pa. Ladies and gentlemen, round 2, play music! Okay, naanatay na out sa round 2. Ladies and gentlemen, round 3, play music! Ang pinakahataw may ma-out! Okay, stop music! Nanapuntay na out, 5 na lang mo! Ay, bulag sa murag mag-abot na yung mga labot ba? Sir, di mo magbulag dira?